Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on Euro CHF. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that Euro CHF is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade Euro CHF. Looking at monthly, now, from the monthly perspective, we can see that Euro CHF previous months has formed this long doji. Now, if we look at the high and low of this monthly doji, we can see that it has crossed the previous monthly doji's high, grabbed the liquidity, and then we have seen that it has also crossed the low. It's a big long doji with a long wick at the bottom. Now, as soon as this market opened this month, we have seen initially a pullback to the upside to the monthly resistance, and then the price now again coming down. It is highly likely that as there is a long monthly week, the price will come at least to fill some part of this monthly week, as we see that this is around the half of this monthly candle, and we can expect the price to come back to this support. As it is a long-term bearish market, we could see further drop in this market or even to create a new lower low. So Euro CHF, from the higher time frame perspective, we see significant bearish movement. Now if we look at the weekly time frame on Euro CHF, we see that this market from the weekly perspective also respecting this resistance zone, creating series of lower high along this zone. Now previous week we have seen this long red candle, which is also a bearish candle, creating series of lower high, and this candle also highly likely that after this one we saw there is a little bit of pullback to the upside. Now the market is dropping, and it is highly likely that the market will continue to drop, as we see that the price was creating series of lower high and we saw significant rejection from the top. We can expect the price to continue to drop in this direction. Now looking at daily on Euro CHF, we can see that also there is a significant bearish movement in this market so far. This is the daily. The impulse started from this zone with this liquidity grab. There is a big impulse followed by this correction. Now with that correction, we saw that Euro CHF from the daily, you see the this daily doji has crossed this daily's high, grab liquidity and form a doji. Now today we have seen again a violation of this previous day's high. There is a multiple liquidity grab giving Euro CHF a strong momentum for this possible movement to the downside. Now from the lower time frame perspective on the intraday, this is the candle we see that has again crossed all this resistance zone. This is a lower time frame resistance. We see that this level in the past acted here as a resistance, very important level, also resistance here, and also finally we have seen another liquidity gap giving it a multiple liquidity gap, and every time the price was creating series of high and low and jumping back to the downside, the sellers are selling this market. So upon closing or before closing of this candle, if we see that there is a strong selling pressure on the lower time frame, such as in this lower time frame on the 4 hour, we'll consider going short on Euro CHF with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading Euro CHF. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.